So, I haven't uploaded a video in almost a month. There has been I have explanations. I have no explanation for it, but I might be starting a band. So, what I'm going to do is I'm thinking of trying to on one specific song having the bass drum be on a mini fridge, as you can see here. So, this is going to be pure unedited footage of me hitting a mini fridge to a beat, okay? Please explain to me how insane I am. Right. Oh, my fucking back hurts, Jesus. So that's me. That was me hitting a fridge for like two and a half minutes. Maybe less than 2.5 minutes, but above 2 minutes. This is the incredible content you get for my incredible. I will post many of my mishaps on this channel, to be honest. That might end up being what it's become. But I'm starting a band, and once its first song done, I'll make a new channel for it, and then in a post I'll tell you guys about it and all that stuff. So yeah, that's me. That was me hitting a fridge. I hope you enjoyed me hitting a fridge. And if you want to see more fridge hitting focused contents, then what are you doing with your life? Like, seriously, what are you doing with your life?